Once you have created the field structure of the table and labeled the fields within the header row, you are then ready to enter your first table record. A record is simply all of the information determined by the fields within the header row that pertains to a single entry. So using the example of a customer's table, a record would be all of the information that pertains to a single customer. You enter the first record into the table immediately underneath the header row. Use the Tab key on your keyboard to move between the cells within a row, as well as to the next new row after you have finished entering one record, in order to automatically add a new row to the table where you can then enter your next record. Each piece of information recorded should match the corresponding field into which it's entered. So, for example, if you have a customer table with the fields first name and last name, and a customer named Jane Smith, then you enter Jane into the first name field and Smith into the last name field, using Tab to move between the fields. Now, additional records are always appended to the next row in the table, never entirely skipping a whole row. After you've created your table and entered your records, you can edit the information in the cells just as you would in a normal worksheet. Just select the cell that contains the information that you want to edit, and then change the record. Then use the Tab key to exit and move to the next cell in the table once you've finished changing the data. Just as when entering records, you can also format any records or information as desired.